Okay, here we have the Metebelis crystal. This is the master, so it is not the actual finished version of it. This is just the shape it will be, so that you can see what it looks like in your hand. You'll see holes in it and some slight variance in the texture. That is due to it being the master and not the finished product. This will be molded and then cast in clear acrylic material so that you can see it better. We're actually going to do two versions of these at Makerman Studios. The first one's going to be a solid, much like this one here that you see. It will be a one-piece crystal. It will be of the clear blue, so it'll be transparent, but it will not be. It'll be blue, much like the original crystal should be. We've scaled this up so that it actually is the same size as the one of all the research that I have on the piece online. I've got many images of the doctor holding the crystal and examining it with his hand, and we've seen and we've compared, done notes, and we've done a couple versions of these to make sure that it is actually to scale. The second version that we're going to do is actually one that lights up. We're working on a way of making it so that it is either near field or as slim of a battery compartment as possible, because we don't want the majority of the crystal to light up, we only want the tip. And so we're working on a way to make it so that it is not filled with a bunch of switches and batteries and wires and all that stuff, but try to keep it as much of a crystal as possible, but with the light source still at the end there without lighting up the entire thing. So we'll post that one. This the full-size one will be available, the solid one will be available in a week or two, depending on how quickly we get the molds done. But there you go. So there's the Metebelis Crystal Master. Again, not the finished piece, but we're getting there. And we'll check back in later when we've got the piece actually up and in the store. Thanks.